So welcome back, guys. Welcome back. It's great to have you again with me in this video. In this module, we're going to be looking at how to build or create an effective email marketing strategy and how we can use this to actually make some money and, well, not just money, but actually generate some real and measurable results. So what is an email marketing strategy anyways? So an email marketing strategy is just a set of procedures that a marketer identifies and follows to achieve desired marketing goals within email advertising. Now, this plan of action gives the business a direct channel of communication with prospects and customers for brand promotion. An effective email marketing strategy is crucial to creating an effective campaign. It's the difference between a professional and an ordinary email owner. Now, unlike the professional, a lot of people just start email marketing with no strategy whatsoever. We've got an email marketing tool, so it's time to go crazy on the emails and just keep sending. There are some basic pillars for literally every email marketing strategy that you are going to embark on. Now, first off is your audiences, second is your goals, and third is the email content. So what's it with the audiences? Now, a lot of businesses have made mistakes with this and continue to make mistakes with this. You need to have a grasp of your audiences if you're going to be able to send the right messages to them. Okay, let me use an example. Nike has a whole lot of products that they sell. Now, they've got baby wears, they've got kids wears, they've got adults, they've got male and a female. So imagine if I signed up some days ago for leather boots. I want to buy leather boots, and the next day I get an email and they send me an ad or a link to a kid's shoe. Now, to me that looks well. First of all, it looks offensive, and second, it shows me that you don't know me. So your ability to understand the needs of your audience and serve them those needs per time, also keeping in mind the life cycle stages that you're in, is massively important. So you want to understand your audience. This is the dirty work. You might not enjoy this, but it's really going to help your business. You want to get down and do some research, understand what your audience are looking for, what are their challenges or their pain points, what are their goals and their expectations, then feed them those things and what their needs are. Then your goals. Why is this even important? Now, a lot of businesses don't even have a goal. They don't have any goal for the email marketing campaigns that they run. So, every other day they just wake up and it's time to send an email. Sometimes it's more like you remembered it. Now, a lot of us are probably guilty with this. You just remember to send the email. You don't even have a goal. Then finally, your email content. Now, something as simple as your headline can be the reason why people are not even opening your emails. Now, trust me, I've sent emails for a while. I've actually found out that it's actually true. The headline really, really matters, and the headline is part of your content. Let's not even get into the body of your letter. Poor headlines will mean lower open rates, which will probably mean that nobody's even going to read your content in the first place. So no matter how good the body of your email is, if you can't get them to open it, then every other thing you've done has been defeated, because you need them to read it. Most of the times, people don't even want to read your emails. But with a good headline, they can actually come into the inbox, and then they will be actually convinced to take some sort of action. So we're going to be looking at the email content entirely, and it's something you want to look at carefully when you are building your strategy. So, why is strategy important? It helps in your overall business plan. As a business, it's going to help you massively in your overall business plan, setting a business plan. A business plan just gives a direction of where the business is going and how the business intends to achieve it. The same thing goes with building a strategy for your email campaigns. It has to align with your business goals, it has to align with your business plans, and it's going to set you up in the right way. So if you have a strategy for your emails, it's going to really contribute to the entire business plan that your business has. And second is gauging results. Now, no strategy means you can't even measure whether anything is even working. The idea behind strategy is so that you can actually measure. You know whether what strategy you're using at that point in time is working, whether people are responding, or whether you have to change, or whether it's your content. So if you have a strategy, then you can place something side by side your efforts to know if they are actually yielding results or not. That's how a lot of businesses tend to just keep doing the same things, and they can't track these things. They can't measure the results. Sometimes they're running at the loss with their email marketing campaigns, but because they don't have a strategy, because they don't have a goal, they think they're actually doing well, when in truth they are doing really badly. And finally, picking best tactics. Emails are going to help you strategies are going to help you pick your best tactics. Now, the truth is, you're not always going to be able to pick the best strategy immediately. It's going to take time. So as you create more strategies, as you experiment, as you deal with your customers, as you deal with your clients, that will show you what are the best tactics for these type of audiences, what are the best tactics for these products or for these services, and how you can implement these tactics on a more consistent basis. Because if you find what works, even if it's just once, then definitely it's going to be working consistently, and if you're lucky, it's going to be working across a large audience. So strategy is super important, guys.